Hello from Slovenia again. Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day to all of my viewers in States. I will admit that I didn't know a lot about your history. I did know some things, but not all the things. So because I know that a lot of my viewers are from States, now I know a lot more about your history and everything. And I was just thinking about this independence. It's so important for countries that has independency. We have our independency for 30 years now, so we are a young country, but still I will not go in political things, but I think that independency is really important. Freedom. So that's why I decided that I will use those three colors today, white, blue and red. They are in our flag, national flag too, so let's say that those colors will represent independency for me, and I will do a split cup pour with 3 chambers for 3 colors. You can find the link to those split cups in the description box and the discount code too. So how I want to pour my colors in, I have a little more white because of a background, and I'm working on 12 by 16 inch canvas panel. And I think that I will add white here. And then blue. I will use phthalo blue by Amsterdam. And cadmium red by Amsterdam. And titanium white by Amsterdam. Whoop, I almost throw my cup. Let's pour red in it too. Have a little more white. I forgot that I'm using just 3 chambers and I didn't mix probably enough colors because it's a 9-ounce cup and I have a little less blue and red, but it's not something that should be worried about. And I will just go kind of a ribbony way and see what will happen. Okay, I will pour some white around first, and then I will think if I want to do something to this before I will stretch it out. Maybe I will do some skewer swipes. I will see. Wet down my panel for paint to slow slide easier. I hope that you all have a nice long weekend in States. That you celebrated watching the fireworks, probably having some barbecues, and be with the people you love, probably. Okay, I will grab a skewer and try to just do something to this, because it is a little kind of like this part, maybe on this part. Just go underneath and try to call it done. So here it is. Maybe I should play a little more with the skewer swipe to get some of those lines out. But I just want to do a pour with those three colors just to kind of celebrate with you the 4th of July. It reminds me of a dragon or something. I should probably do more of the skewer swipes, but now it is what it is. So, happy 4th of July, you all, and I hope for independence, freedom, all over the world. Love you. Bye.